Hey guys, this is a different kind of video because I got a bunch of Fenty Beauty makeup stuff on sale during the Black Friday sales at Sephora. So I wanted to test them out when I did my makeup for New Year's Eve, and I was kind of doing something a bit different for that. So I just kind of recorded it, and here we are doing a voiceover. Um, I don't know how in depth I'm going to go with this, but I pretty much just wanted to talk about how awesome the Fenty stuff was. Booty, 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 booty. Anyway, I never put on my foundation with the brush, but here we are slapping it on there. Um, I think I just wanted to keep my hands clean or something. I'm picky about that sometimes. I've been having hella breakouts as well. Like you can see on my chin how terrible it was. But it's getting a lot better now. I'll update some of that stuff in my vlog. I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I freaking love it, except that I noticed lately it's kind of starting to oxidize a little bit more yellow on camera than it used to. So I might have to go a bit of a lighter shade. And blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. But anyway, I got the Fenty, the concealer stick set. Um, the contour stick set, the one that has kind of like a shimmer, a contour color, and a concealer color. I haven't really used the concealer, but I've been checking out that contour for a while. I'm putting it on here just with a brush off the back of my hand because I was too scared to just like go straight on my face with it. There you can see it's on my hand. And I actually really love the color. It's so hard for me to find a nice, really cool contour color. And this one freaking nails it. It's so good, especially like I set um, afterwards with a contour powder as well, which I'll show later. I set everything with the Maybelline sheer loose powder as well. But this stuff, oh my god, you guys, the Fenty eyeshadow primer, what the hell, man? I was not expecting how sticky this stuff was going to be. It is so tacky. It's amazing. Oh, here we go, the Smashbox stuff. So I have this Smashbox contour and bronzing palette, which I use to set the powder. It's a perfect, cool shade, and I can't find anything else like this. I used to have one from MAC. Cannot find it anywhere. They only have these colors in palettes, and it really annoys me. I just want a giant pan of this color for my face, okay? It looks pretty heavy now, but we'll blend it out later. It's fine. But anyway, this freaking eyeshadow primer, it, look how much trouble I have blending this out. Like, I'm just blending and packing for like half an hour. It was ridiculous. Um, I've been having heaps of trouble, by the way, heaps of fun with the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I just kind of bought it on a whim because I just wanted to get back into experimenting with my makeup a little bit and just something different. And it came out at a really good time when I was like, you know what? I just want to do some stuff with my face. And it has all these really interesting, cool colors in it. Some really awesome shimmers, just like really interesting, weird stuff that I love. So I decided to go ham this day and try to do a really dark smoky eye. And I think it turned out pretty well, actually. It took a really long time to use a bunch of different weird as heck brushes that I don't usually use for blending and applying and stuff, just because I was so surprised how tacky this eyeshadow primer was that nothing would move. I had to go back over it so many times. And I tried again the other day to do another smoky eye look with, uh, oh my God, by the way, this highlighter. This is the Killawatt highlighter, by the way, by Fenty. Girl. It is insane. But I tried to do a smoky eye look the other day with it's like a really shimmery dark black brown color from the Alien palette, and oh my god, that color is so incredibly stupidly pigmented that I completely fucked up with this eyeshadow primer and just had to take it all off and start over. It was crazy. It was like my entire eye was black. So hopefully I'll go back and try that again, but yeah. I started using Colourpop for my eyebrows, by the way, because it's just so much easier. It's just so easy. I don't know why Anastasia changed the brush on on their eyebrow gel. It's really massive and really annoying, and I miss when it was just like a regular heckin' mascara wand, but there you go. But yeah, the Fenty eyeshadow primer, freaking amazing. Groove it out, love it. Um, the Alien palette, absolutely love it. And the Killawatt highlighter, oh my god. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. I like it. I really liked this look. I enjoyed rocking it before I made myself absolutely comatose. And I've been feeling my little blush fantasy. It makes me feel like a little fairy princess. This Moonchild, the glow kit from Anastasia is still one of my favorite things. It's just got such interesting colors in it, and because cool tone stuff suits me really well, oh, it's just really fun to use. And then plus Killawatt on top, oh my god, and then plus the ColourPop highlighter palette on top as well. Eesh! I have pretty much bought everything that I've wanted from ColourPop in the past couple of months. I don't think I'm going to need any more makeup for like 3 years. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's just kind of a chatty video. This is just some B-roll that I have. I thought I just wanted to talk through it. And I really like how this looked turned out. And the Fenty products absolutely freaking blew me the fuck away. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like and comment if you want to see more stuff like this. I've got some vlogs coming out soon. But I'll see you guys on stream Monday to Friday on twitch.tv/KidKerrigan. I love you.